Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori to English class. Students, this is your English workbook. Now kids, open book page number 72. Today we will read book page number 72. Cap, cat, can. Cap, cat, can. Bake, bed, bed. Bake, bed, bed. Cape, cat, can. Bake, bed, bed. Pet, pen, pet. Pet, pen, pet. Bed, bed, bag. Bed, bed, bag. Far, fat, fan. Far, fat, fan. Tape, tape, take. Tape, tape, take. Again read with me. Cap, cat, can. Bake, bed, bed. Pet, pen, pet. Bed, pet, bag. Far, fat, fan. Tape, tape, take. Now kids, it's your turn. Read book page number 72. Allah Hafiz.